How many of you have ever had something to drink out of a bottle like this one? Did you just toss it in the garbage or did you recycle it? Common household items are being thrown away every second of every day. By just taking a moment out of your day to place your morning paper or soda can, glass jar into a recycling container, you can make all the difference in the environment. Recycling is beneficial in so many ways. It is good for our environment and our economy. Some people may think it is hard or involves too much effort, but it can be extremely easy and sometimes fun. The first thing I want to talk to you about is that recycling saves energy. Recycled items are used to create new items to make new products. When this happens, manufacturers do not need to produce new materials from raw substances. Raw substances are things that come from nature, such as wood or crude oil. Energy used to create new items or recycled materials is much less than what it is to use raw materials. To use raw materials, they would have to be harvested. Less transportation generates less air pollution. Less energy is also consumed because machines do not need to be running as long when you use recycled products. Recycling saves our natural resources. Natural resources are disappearing so quickly. Recycling reduces the need for raw materials in producing new products. By recycling, we are saving natural resources such as land, oil, minerals, and trees. Trees are used to make paper, and oil is used to make plastic. Recycling saves landfill space. Each year, one person is responsible for 1,460 pounds of trash. And each year, the United States produces 210 billion tons of trash. That's enough to fill 108,000 garbage trucks. This information can be found in What's Up with Trash, sponsored by Seek. We can reduce these numbers by recycling. Many recyclables are discarded as trash. Some of these items take anywhere from 100 to 1,000 years to decompose. Recycling is also good for our economy. Recycling saves on a lot of expenses. It is also known as the least expensive waste management method. Recycling contributes to economic development by creating employment. These include jobs in all steps of the recycling process. By now you may be asking, how do I recycle? The first step is that recycling can be very easy. You just look at the recycling symbol on the bottom of any plastic bottle. Cardboard, paper, glass, aluminum, and some other plastics can be recycled. There are two main ways that you can recycle. The first is to see if your area has a recycling program. Most neighborhoods have recycling service that pick up your recyclables just like they would trash. There are about 8,550 curbside recycling programs, and that information was found on Love to Know, a Green Living article written by Chad. The second is to look for a recycling center. Earth 911 is a great resource to help find a recycling center near you. Search by city, state, or zip code. You can even receive a refund value for your recyclables at some recycling centers. Recycling can also be fun. As you may know, kids like to be creative. Save paper towel rolls, paper, magazines, small and large boxes. These items can be used to make forts, binoculars, and that magazines are great to save for school projects and for making collages. In conclusion, recycling is very important to preserve our earth. Recycling saves energy and natural resources. It also helps in taking less landfill space and promotes a better economy. Recycling is easy, and we can all work together to make a difference in our environment. Remember to reduce, reuse, and then recycle.